Good morning, guys. Dion's got severe toothache. We booked a time for him in Copenhagen, but we gotta go now. We gotta hurry. I just woke up from Dion making a video about how frustrated he is about this and a bunch of other things, and I'm like, yeah, I gotta call the dentist for him. So we're going now. We gotta get to Newport in 17 minutes. Newport station. We made it onto the train. Let's go. We're gonna get this tooth fixed today. Copenhagen Central Station. We gotta head down to the metro. I think it's this way. On the metro. Let me show you. What a beautiful day. There's something about Copenhagen this time of year. It's cold as shit. You can't see it here. It's close to freezing, but it's nice. Here we are. We made it. We're going back to the dentist tomorrow. They just did like a general checkup on him today, and the issue was quite a bit worse than I had imagined. They were actually quite stunned as well. They hadn't seen something like that in a while. So it's a good thing that he's getting it fixed here in Denmark. I don't think you're going to be able to get much better dental care.
They really say they seen this from even Syrian refugees.
They said last time they saw something like this, it was a Syrian refugee. So it's pretty fucking bad, man. But I'm happy you're going to be able to get it fixed here. Now we're getting a little bit of McSlop. And then we're gonna take the train back to Newport. Got us quarter pounders. Let's go. I haven't had these in a fucking long ass time. I couldn't get them in Portugal. I don't know, maybe they sell them there, but I couldn't get them.
I posted the screenshot about it.
Guys, we're back in the apartment, and I tried using soap water to figure out where the puncture is on this old inner tooth of mine, but I had to use this method instead of like completely dunking it. And yeah, the issue is that the vulcanization around the inner valve stem and the rubber, there's like a tiny little separation going on here where tiny little air bubbles get out that I couldn't see using soap water. But maybe I can show you guys. It's kind of difficult one-handed. Here, let me show you. It's not really showing anything. I'm trying to apply some pressure here. No bubbles, but I got bubbles before. I know what the issue is. I just wanted to show you guys. But yeah, basically, I just consulted a mechanic friend of mine, Stony, and also GPT, and they both said it's a lost cause. It would be dangerous to use this thing again. So I gotta scrap it. It's not really that nice because it means that this inner tube in here is the only one that I've got, and if it fails, I'm just fucked. because I can't afford a new inner tube. So let's pray, knock on wood and everything, that this inner tube actually lasts. And let me clean this up now. It's got all kinds of gunk and debris in there now.